Welcome back everybody. Here in this class I'm just going to teach you some more things about the PHP. Actually we was just learning about different kind of links. We just learned how to get all the data of a specific ID or a specific raw. So I just teach you how to get access on a specific link. Actually in this way we can create many things. We will use this in CMS in multiple ways. By the way, in this class I'm just going to teach you how to enable the delete button. Okay, so I'm just going here, and in the delete button, where is the delete button? I'm on the detailed page. Actually I have to go to the index.php page. Okay, this is in the docs.php page, and here I'm just adding another href in this way. And then what I'm just going to do, actually here I'm just linking the page. Which page I'm just going to link? Actually I can link up this page, the index.php as well, or I can link up any other page. It's upon me. So I'm just linking this page. I'm just typing index.php. By the way, I can create another edit.php page or whatever, but I'm just getting the action on the same page. So I'm just saving it now, refreshing that. Okay, now the delete button has a link, but when I just click on the delete button, nothing happens, just because I'm just refreshing the same page. But the thing is that I have to send something, actually some get variables. Here I'm just making another thing, del id. Okay, del id. By the way, the del id is only the variable, and the thing is that by sending the del id, what I'm just going to do, I'm sending the id again. Okay, same thing I'm sending again. Why am I sending the ID? Just because for deleting anything we have to get the ID of that element, or actually that raw. So I'm just sending the raw's ID in this way, and obviously we have to make the receiver for this. Now refresh. Now obviously we just type del ID. So here is the del ID is 10. If I just click on Shazib Kamal, which is number 2 in ID, so del ID is 2. Okay, so actually I'm just sending the delete ID, but the problem is that where I'm receiving it. So I didn't receive that yet, and I didn't mention that we should delete the raws which actually has the del ID of this. So how to manage that? I have to open the PHP anywhere where we just want. We can start the PHP coding here in this area as well. I can create the PHP at the top. So I'm just going here. Okay, and here I'm just adding a command, delete raws. Okay, so here I'm just going to do some more things. Here I'm adding another if else, and what I'm just going to type here in this else, here I'm just typing is set, and then inside this that I'm just typing get del id. It means if I got the del id in the index.php, okay, then what will happen, I'm just selecting, or instead of selecting, directly call the del id or del sql. Okay, or simply type sql, whatever you want. I'm just typing del sql for actually making this line readable, and as you know that we have to use the double quotes, so I'm just typing the code, the SQL query for deleting. Okay, so pay attention because you didn't learn about the deletion query yet. Now let's just type delete. Now don't mention all, okay, that will be a biggest mistake. Just type delete from. Now let's just type which table you want to delete something. The table name is comments. Okay, delete from comments. Now this is really important what I'm just doing, that you must have to put the where. Okay, so don't never forget about putting the where, because by using the where we just mention that which raw we want to delete. Otherwise all the comments table will be deleted. Okay, so now actually will be empty. So now where id is equals to, now just put two single quotes, as you know that after when you're just getting the where, okay, where we just mentioning that the variable which we are getting from the which actually we are getting from the PHP page, we have to put inside the single quotes. So here I'm just typing get. Now as you knew that we just use the single quotes after that, so here we just have to type del id without the single or double quotes. Now just simply type run SQL or anything which you just want. Simply type mysqli and query. Okay, mysqli query is really important function because this function runs the query, okay, or executes the query, and in this way we just got the result. Okay, so now after that what should happen? Refresh that, go to the browser and refresh that again. Okay, first of all, if you have any query, let's just delete. This is really important. Now just simply delete on just simply click on delete of ASD. I'm just clicking here, delete. Now I got something wrong here. That means I have to go here, and what I just made as a mistake I have to find out. Here is the del ID. Okay, that is perfect. So here is the del ID. Okay, that is matching. So what is the problem it is getting? Actually, it is just telling that del ID is actually undefined variable in line number 5. But how? Okay, the problem is that I just mentioned del ID. I have to type the SQL. Okay, that is really simple, and actually I just forgot what to mention. By the way, I'm just deleting that and refreshing that now. I'm just clicking on delete ASD, and I got deleted the ASD. Okay, so you can delete any other name if you just want. I'm just deleting. I'm not deleting the Shazeb or John Mark. These are looking perfect, but I hope you understood how to delete anything. Now, this is the query which won't work because now number 10 is not exist in the table of comments. Okay, so I hope you understood how to do that. We will learn some more things in the next class. Stay tuned and goodbye.